in Australia means being next to the coast and being able to be involved in coastal activities like this. So being on the patrol, I'm going to feel so proud of myself to be able to have this achievement. I'm grateful for the university for facilitating this course for me. It is definitely a challenge, but I'm so excited about the program. Today I'm feeling really proud. I feel like I'm getting out of my comfort zone, being able to say that I'm in a position where I can save people's lives and make them feel comfortable around the beach. So I do have a message for international students. It's a great learning and development opportunity, and it's just a great way to get involved in the Australian beach culture as well.